You want to start a YouTube channel, but you are stuck. You don't know how to script your videos, structure your content, or even what to say on camera. Or maybe you've even thought about hiring a professional scriptwriter just to write your script, but that can get expensive. But what if I told you that there is a completely free tool that can do all of this for you in seconds? A tool that top YouTubers use to craft their viral videos, rank in search, and get thousands of views without spending a dime. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to use ChatGPT for your YouTube channel growth, even if you're a beginner. Hi, my name is Miriam and welcome to Miriam's YouTube Playbook, where I share tips that help you grow your channel as I grow mine. If you would like to grow with me, subscribe to my channel so you get notified when I post new videos. ChatGPT is hands down one of the best free AI tools for your YouTube channel growth. Whether you need a catchy channel name, a well-written about section, video ideas that rank, or even a full video script, ChatGPT can do it all. And with the right prompts, you can get results that are just as good, if not better, than a paid professional. I'll walk you through each step and show you how you can use ChatGPT effectively so you can start creating amazing high quality content for your channel without overthinking. Now let's jump to my screen and see how it works. The first thing we need to do is to introduce ourselves to ChatGPT. Hi ChatGPT, my name is Miriam. I'm starting a YouTube channel about YouTube growth strategies for beginners. My target audience is new YouTubers who want to grow their channel but feel overwhelmed. I want my content to be educational and practical, providing actionable tips they can apply immediately. Give me ideas and strategies to grow my channel. Before you start using ChatGPT, it is important to give it some context about who you are and what your channel is about. It helps it to generate more relevant responses. So I have my introduction here. You can pause the video to read through because I don't want the video to be too long. So you can pause it to read through. So now I'm going to click send. You can see the response, guys. This is truly amazing. This tool is a game changer. If you are struggling, you just get on ChatGPT and boom, you get what you want. Next, I'm going to tell ChatGPT to generate 10 unique and catchy YouTube channel name ideas for me. You don't have to stress about your channel name if you don't have one already. Just get on ChatGPT and you'll get your answers. You can personalize it. You can add probably your first name, anything. Just make sure you tweak it and personalize it to your style. Now I'm going to go on and tell ChatGPT to write an engaging and SEO optimized YouTube about section for my channel. And again, ChatGPT will do its magic. A well-written about section helps viewers understand your channel, and also it improves your chances of showing up in search results. Your about section has to be intentional because it is very important. It is the first thing that your viewers see before they even get to watch any of your videos. So it has to be interesting, engaging. Everything about your channel has to be in that description. So if you're still bothered about it or you don't know how to write it, ChatGPT is your friend. The next thing we need to do is to tell ChatGPT to list 10 trending video ideas for us in your niche. Instead of guessing what videos to create, just use ChatGPT to find topics that are already getting views in your niche. And all you need to bother about is to just click record. You can ask ChatGPT to give you 20 video ideas, 30, 40, 50, any amount, and you will never run out of ideas. So next is to generate a full script. I picked one of the titles that ChatGPT generated. In my prompt, I said the script should have a strong hook, an engaging introduction, and a detailed main content section. It should also include a call to action at the end. And ChatGPT will give me everything. Amazing, right? This tool will make your job so easy. You don't have to stress. You just need to personalize. That's the main thing. Make sure you make it your own. Put in your style. how you want your content to look like so that it can stand out and be different from others. Finally, ChatGPT will help me in writing a video description, because what is a video without a video description? It is not complete, and ChatGPT will do that for you again. That's it, guys. I have a full video scripted for me. All I just have to do is record. If you've not started using ChatGPT, I would encourage you to start using it. It's going to change a lot for your channel, and it will help you for your YouTube channel growth. And that's how you can use ChatGPT for your YouTube channel growth. This tool saves you time and helps you to make high quality content. Make sure to personalize your content. Add your own insights, your experiences, and your unique perspective. Don't just rely on AI generated results. Make sure to tweak and refine to your taste, to your style, so that your content can stand out. Try out these prompts and let me know in the comments how ChatGPT has helped you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you can get more YouTube growth tips. Bye.